Hello, I am Mr. Kadganchi from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. We are going to study Standard 10th, Maths 2, Chapter 2, Pythagoras Theorem. In previous videos, we have seen some properties and theorems. Now in this video, we are going to see the Apollonius theorem. In a triangle ABC, if M is a midpoint of a side BC, then AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. Figure is given. In that figure, given in triangle ABC, M is in a midpoint of the side BC. We are going to prove that AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. Construction: draw a segment AD perpendicular to segment BC. Now proof: if segment AM is not a perpendicular to the segment BC, then out of angle AMB and angle AMC, one is obtuse angle and the other is acute angle. In this figure, angle AMB is an obtuse angle and AMC is an acute angle. In this, AB square is equal to AM square plus MB square plus 2BM into MD. This is equation 1. And AC square is equal to AM square plus MC square minus 2MC into MD. Therefore, AC square is equal to AM square plus MB square minus 2BM into MD. Therefore, we know that BM is equal to MC, that is equation number 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square, which we have shown it. Write the proof yourself if segment AM is perpendicular to BC. From this example, we can see the relation among the side and the median of the triangle. This is known as an Apollonius theorem. Now, one example, solved example is given here. Example number 1, figure is given. In that figure, PM is PM is a median of the triangle PQR. PM is equal to 9 and PQ square plus PR square is equal to 290. Then find QR. Solution: in the triangle PQR, segment PM is a median, M is a midpoint of QR. Therefore, QM is equal to MR is equal to 1 upon 2 QR. By using the Apollonius theorem, PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2PM square plus 2QM square. Now putting the values, 290 is equal to 2 into 9 square plus 2QM square. 290 is equal to 2 into 81 plus 2QM square. 290 is equal to 162 plus 2QM square. 2QM square is equal to 290 minus 162. 2QM square is equal to 128. QM square is equal to 128 upon 2. By cancelling, we will get 64. Therefore, taking square root on both the sides, QM is equal to 8. Therefore, QR is equal to 2 into QM is equal to 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Now second example. In this example, prove that the sum of the square of the diagonal of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the square of the sides. Given quadrilateral PQRS is in a rhombus, diagonal PR and diagonal QS intersect each other at the point T. To prove, PS square plus SR square plus QR square plus PQ square is equal to PQ square plus QS square. Proof. Diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Therefore, by Apollonius theorem, PQ square plus PS square is equal to 2PT square plus 2QT square. This is equation 1. QR square plus SR square is equal to 2RT square plus 2QT square. This is equation 2. By adding equation 1 and 2, PQ square plus PS square plus QR square plus SR square is equal to 2 in bracket PT square plus RT square bracket complete plus 4QT square is equal to 2 in bracket PT square plus PT square bracket complete plus 4QT square, where RT is equal to PT. Therefore, 4PT square plus 4QT square, which is equal to in bracket 2PT square plus in bracket 2QT square, which is equal to PR square plus QS square. The above proof can be written using the Pythagoras theorem also. Now further practice set 2.2 that we are going to see in the next video. So thank you. Write this solved example and the theorem in your notebook. Thank you.